Hello everyone, welcome to my art channel. Welcome back. Thank you for watching my first video. I hope you learned a lot from there, and let's rock this scroll. So first, when we see a picture, as what I've said on my first video, I look at the lines. I see here a coil, and then wave, triangle, and then a coil. So let's rock it. Let's hop on. So coil, wave, triangle, and then coil again. Again, there are no mistakes in drawing, just whatever is beautiful in your eyes. Okay? So next that I do is I make a line here and make a line here. And then I make it kind of symmetrical here. Okay? Don't worry about the lines. It will get fixed later because we're going to shade and you can erase it anytime. And then here I go like that. And I go like that just to make it symmetrical. And then wave, triangle, and then wave. It depends on you on how many waves and triangles you like. This is just for the purpose of showing a simple approach. And then I'll connect this, so that it will show like there's like a paper there. And then this one, and then this one. It's like a roll of paper. Just gonna correct this one because it didn't line as how I want it to be. Again, you can adjust things as how you want it to be. Okay? Next, I am sure of the size, I am sure of my shape and my lines, so I'm going to darken it. And when you darken, that's when you start your art therapy, because it's repetitive and you can just relax and enjoy your journey and just make it darker. Okay, so do it as how you want it to be. Dark as you want it to be. Alright, so now we are going to shade after I've darkened it. Okay, so let's shade. Sorry, I bumped the table. So here when I shade, I start long and then short and then long, and then I go back and then there. So when I shade, as I told you before, I shade it like a check, or downwards, check, or sidewards. Okay, so it's dark here, it's dark there, and then it lightens up. Okay, so we shade it here, short and then long, and then shade it, short and then long. In my first video, I told you to shade from the line. Here, as you can see, I have line, space, and then shade. It actually depends on the effect that you would like. With this scroll, I would like to have that space there, and then I will blend later. You will see the difference. And then here I have long, then short, and then kind of long, and then short, and then kind of long, and then short. And I will shade it up to this side. Okay, this one is bigger, so there is more space that I have done here. But here there's not much space, but this is just to show you a simple scroll. Okay, we will darken it more and blend it more with my shade here. Okay, we make it a little longer because it's too short, but it depends on you if you're gonna make it kind of shaded longer or shorter, because if you would like to put a text here, because this is good for posters or letters, cards, then you should make the sides shaded small, short, I mean. So as you can see, you just relax and do it. Just have fun. This is your me time. And then shade here a bit, shade here a bit. Later we're going to blend it, so it doesn't matter if you want to darken it, you can darken it, but it doesn't matter if you would like to darken it more, how many times. Depends on you, how many times you want to relax. Just chillax. Okay, so we have that. Now, when you think of a scroll, you would think it's archaic, it's old, so sometimes I would like to put some cracks. Again, it depends on you how long the cracks that you would like to put, or you want to branch it out, as long as you know it's kind of like fading cracks. Because I would like to imagine that this scroll is really old and it's crumpled and there are cracks on the papers, and just make it a little light. Okay? And again, with the help of my best friend Q-tip, I'm going to blend it. So usually I just blend the sides with this scroll, because if you want to write something here, then you don't want it to really be darkened. See, I'm blending that side. Oh, I forgot something here, because you can shade some here. It's too spacious, so I'm just gonna put some here. This is usually what I do, just to have that effect, you know, scroll effect. Okay, so now I will continue with my blending, and you can do whatever you want to do. This is your creation, this is your masterpiece. So I'm just blending a bit the sides. Look at your cracks, that makes it really kind of an old scroll. There, it's done. You have your scroll. And if you're gonna use this for posters or cards, it's really artistic. Yeah, you put here your letter or how you would like it to be. It's really pretty. That's it. Well, you have your scroll, and that's really a good job. You keep on practicing, and this approach is really made simple for all of you. So thank you so much for watching, staying with me. Please subscribe, share. Let's help each other. Let's help each other. I'm kind of like stumbling there. And thank you so much, and stay safe and have a wonderful day. Bye. Like, subscribe, and share. Bye, guys.